Good morning, tubers. It is Sunday, and we're gonna go do a junkyard run because I got some stuff I need to get for the Bullnose. And you guys are seeing all this in a new camera. I got the GoPro Hero 7. I think it's a Hero. That's a number. It's the 7. As you can tell, I had to get a new reflector. That one broke off. Waiting on my other one, so that's coming in. I wanted to show you guys what I'm having a problem with here. I'm after a wiper control module because mine decided that it's no longer going to do the whole intermittent deal. It's just gonna do the pulsate. I'll show you what it's doing. Should probably turn my wipers on this way. So that works, but if it doesn't really work all the way. Oh, now it's working. Oh, there we go. The switch is working, but the control module is freaking out. So I'm gonna see about snagging a couple different ones from different trucks and see what that does. I'm thinking the brick noses are the same. So if they are, we're gonna take one from a newer truck. That way they'll give us a fighting chance of having something that'll last a bit longer. So, yeah. Seat swap's doing all right. Eventually I want to take this one out and actually move it over a little bit, but I've been dealing with it. I'm gonna get some tools. We'll get this thing fired up. This thing's actually been driving pretty good with the new tires. Check this out. That activates my second battery. Yeah, I'll show you guys that setup later. Can you guys see me? Sure hope you can. Alright, I got my hubs are disengaged. I don't think we're gonna need it. Yeah, the road's a lot clearer than it was last night. It's supposed to dump again tonight. We'll see. Let's go for a little warm-up lap around town here. Got new glasses. Got the transition stuff put on them. Haven't had that for a long time. It's like, hey, you know what? I don't always have my sunglasses with me. So let's go ahead and do it. I like these new glasses. Here we go, tubes. I don't have a holder for this, so sorry if there's some scraggly noises, but there's an M5OD back here. This thing's mostly pulled apart. I want to see what it's got back there for doohickeys. What's this got in it? This got a not gonna starty eye in it? Looks like it does. Someone's taking the whole top end off of it. Alright, check that out. I think they're upside down. Those are cool. These are pretty decent. Yeah, it's a not gonna starty eye truck. Damn it, get out of here. I wonder what's wrong with this info. Someone's got it all pulled apart. Huh. Interesting. Top cover shifters there. Doesn't have the knob. Of course it doesn't. Instrument cluster. Wonder if that voltage regulator is any good. This is in pretty good nick. It's got steps on it that are obliterated. Yep, completely trashed. Looks So we got a brick nose here with the straight tick. Got brand new spark plugs, and then they're like, well, that's enough of that. Someone, I think, once said, you should take this off, this is stupid. And I'm like, well, then you're left with all this crap. Yikes. What the hell happened to this truck? This is a 3/4 ton. There's a Super Duty over there, and a couple guys are pulling the front axle from it. It's like, damn it. It's got the front and rear axles in it, but I think it's a V10. Pick them up. Okay. So somewhere up in here is a control module for the wiper doohickey, and I think this is it. This is it right here. Let's snaggle this, and then we're gonna go over to that brick nose and take its module too. All right, tubes. So got the one from the other truck. Now these all have a red plug on them with this module. So I got that one there. Now check this out. This is from a brick nose, and it appears that it has it. I think it does. Let's get that out of there. Yeah, it has it. I don't know if you can see it. It's sitting back there. So I'm gonna snaggle that out of there. We'll have a newer one for a brick nose. We'll see if that one works. All right, got it out. On the brick nose, it's got a little screw like these. Kind of had to do a little damage here, but she's screwed in right there. Got her out. Cool. I wanted to compare the part numbers here. Got a little bit longer harness on the Bullnose one. That's an E4TF. That's an E7TF. CA, AA. Different part numbers, but let's see what they do. Check this out. This had aftermarket cruise. So I already took some screws out, but in this Bullnose it also has cruise control module that I want, and I had, it's like a couple screws right here holding it in, and then the plug for it is right here, and then you have your other plug right there. Come on, baby. Got it. Oh. Look at that, it's got the original radio. Oh, it's got the clock. Does the clock work? I have interior screws. We gotta find there's the plug for it. Let's take that. Well, I found a Lincoln Town Car. It's got its air suspension too. The other one on the other side is blown out. But it did find something I was kind of looking for, and I'm gonna take it because it's gonna trigger you guys. Yeah. Also found something. Kept talking about getting, kept forgetting. Reservoir. I'm gonna use that in the truck. It's from my Explorer. All right, tubes. I snaggled a couple things. Mostly just the trigger flaps, as I'm going to call them, and the vacuum reservoir from an Explorer. I'm actually going to be putting that in this truck, so that's a part for this. Of course, we got the wiper control modules, that clock, which I'm going to find out later if it's going to work or not. The only thing I'm annoyed with is that all that stuff was like 120 bucks. Wiper control modules were a little spendy. 20 a pop, but you know what? They Guess that's alright, because can't get them new. So, yeah, we got some stuff. At least I was able to find what I was looking for. I was looking for a couple other things for the Lincoln, but those are not there. They were gone. So, well, time to head her home. I did see a couple snowflakes while I was out there. Now, I'm not talking about protesters, but I thought I saw a couple snowflakes, and it looks like the clouds are rolling in. They're not too scary looking, but it's supposed to rain, or not rain, snow later tonight. It's supposed to dump apparently. We'll see if that happens. But it got cold real fast. The sun kind of got put away. And now it's just freaking cold. It looks like there's some precipitation over there. I think the next thing I'd like to get from Junkyard is a Bronco or newer F-150 transfer case, manual shift, because I want to put a double cardan rear drive shaft on this thing, because I've got a vibration at about 40 miles an hour that is really annoying, and I know exactly where it's coming from. And it's just because my pinion angle on one of my U-joints is not right. Brand new Chevy, and the headlight on the passenger side is not. Good old GM. Alright, tubes, gotta go home. Catch you next time.